Hey, what's up guys? I have a RCA Roku TV here. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset without using the remote, okay? Now if you look on the back of the TV, just go in the back where all your ports are. You should have, if you look down here, it says reset. There's a button here, okay? Now you don't want to just like press the button once. If you just press it and let it go really quickly, it's just going to restart the computer. Okay, what you have to do is press and hold for about 10 seconds. Now take note that this RCA Roku TV, the reset button here is protruded so I can use my finger. However, on other RCA models, you have to use a pen or a toothpick to press and hold that button because it's inside, it's not protruding out. So let me show you how to factory reset this. First, I'm just going to keep my finger on this little button here. And now, first thing is go ahead and turn your TV on. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and press and hold the button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold for about 10 seconds. Do not let go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and let go. Give this 1 second. Now what's going to happen is going to boot up twice here. Okay. Okay, the second time it's booting up here. So give it 1 second and we should be at the setup screen as if you just bought it brand new and took it out of the box. And voila, back to the setup screen. Pretty simple.